Anyway, if you're still in shock that why we can apply the JavaScript, so you should not be very shocking because the HTML here, so you should not be very shocking because it is not the plain HTML, it is JSX again. Okay, so I'm making it the div tag or div because it doesn't suit, we overlap the h1 with the p. I do not know why, but I do not like it. Anyway, I'm going down in here. I'm actually using the React DOM right here, and React DOM dot render, and okay, and right here the parentheses. I'm going inside. This is what you already know anyway. Data. Okay, and I'm going to the document. This is a general way. Document dot get element by ID. This is what you know when you work with the HTML very well. So here change. Okay, and now what more I need to do is I need to go to the browser to check the result here. Saving it. Now I'm going to the browser. So here it is. I'm refreshing that and it's not getting changed. So I need the Babel too. So I'm going to the browser, the coding panel back. And right before the script tag, the React, I'm here applying the src, and here I'm writing https unpkg.com/@babel/standalone/babel.js. One more thing required here. I need to delete this m. Now unpackage. Okay, and here I need to mention it. The type text slash. Okay, previously you used to write text slash JavaScript, but it's not the case right here. We need to write the text slash Babel. But it also needs a few changes. For example, first of all, we need to add the sign here, and we do not need anything here. Comma here. If I go right here, you can see that we add the comma. We are actually inside this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we add the what we are exporting. We are rendering the exported element, which is a component. Okay, and then we are replacing this component with this element, which is actually the part of the JavaScript. So here we are supposedly inside this line, inside this command, the rendering area. So we just need to write the data. This is our component. Okay, and this is where we are placing the component. So first of all, we need to end the statement of this. One more thing I need to change. The DOM is also capital. Okay, now all looks fine. Now I can go to the browser to check this. Then we would talk about how it's working anyway. Here we can see that it was the another text, but after refreshing it changed. I'm refreshing it again. You can see that first it was this is React 2, but later it became this is some heading. If I go to the right here, clicking on the inspect element, and here you can see that in the console. Okay, download the React Dev tools for a better development experience, and you might need to use a local HTTP server instead of the file. Okay, they're recommending that we need the local server. Okay, I need instead of the file. We are going with the file, but I just wanted to show you how it works. Also, they're telling that you're using the in-browser Babel transformer. Be sure to pre-compile your scripts for Babel.js production. Okay, so everything is fine. Here is the element area. We can see that this is the ID, the div change, and inside this we had some other data and we updated it with the h1, and this is submitting. So this is how it updates. When I refresh the page again, I would get something different, and then it get updated because of the React. Once React loaded, it changed the thing. We need to know one more thing, that why it's taking a few seconds, because this is React, and absolutely this is not only React, but it is coming through online sources. Okay, this is not something like JavaScript which is pre-built in the browser. This is something we are importing from the outside. So this is why it takes time. First, browser reads things, it starts from the top. So first it reads the H1 and etc. Then it starts reading these things, then the script, and then after reading everything, it changes this area. Now here what is happening, this is a kind of the very simple component. Okay, this is a kind of very simple component. We're going to discuss about the component in the next video. So the component or the component, whatever you say, it is something very important in the React. Everything of the React consists of a component. Even this app.js is a component too. This is a component. I'm going to discuss about that later, no problem. I'm going to the file we made here. Okay, and then here, this is what we added in the index.js, the render area, and this is something we call the component. And here, because this is a function, so we are returning something, but here we are not running a function, we are just simply adding the JSX here. So we are receiving the JSX data right here in the component. Okay, so what is another important thing? Nothing big here. But we do not need the CDNs if we go with the the master React, the NPM way. So in the next video, we're going to talk about the components or the components in detail. Till then, stay tuned.